Today's letter is the letter P, which makes a pa, pa, pa sound. Now today I've gathered some words beginning with the pa sound. I can see we have pa, 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 pig, pig. We can also have pa, 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 pencil, pencil, and pa, 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 pen, pen. How about pa, 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 potato, potato, and pa, 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 pineapple, pineapple, and an even pa, 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 ping pong ball, ping pong ball, and pa, 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 paper. Okay, great. Can you practice the sound with me? Are you ready? Pa, pa, pa. Pa, pa, pa. Okay, now let's practice writing the pa, the letter P. We go down and then around. Okay? Down and around. And one more time. Down and around. Good job. Okay, today I'm going to leave you with a tongue twister. And it is, Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Shall we say that together? 3, 2, 1. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Okay, thank you and goodbye.